We're here at OpenStreetMap, and you are?
Henk Hoff.
Henk Hoff. What is OpenStreetMap?
Well, OpenStreetMap is actually a free editable map of the world. Like Wikipedia is a free encyclopedia. OpenStreetMap is a free map where everybody can actually work, edit the map and make it better to collectively make the world's best map.
And well, there are multiple companies doing that, like Google, and you have the navigation tools like TomTom and the others. How does OpenStreetMap relate to that?
Well, we actually deliver a free map, like Atlas is providing a map for TomTom, Navtech is providing it for Garmin's and that kind of those kind of people. And the difference between us and the commercial parts is that we, as well, actually the user can decide for themselves what they like to have on the map, especially like POIs. You look at there's a lot of detailed within our maps of POIs, like restaurants, bars, all those kinds of things. And people can actually make their own community or own neighborhood where they live more accurate by also adding cycleways, footpaths, all those kind of things that commercial maps don't find very interesting.
So what you're actually saying is that people can add to the map the details of their neighborhood or some other area they're interested in. Right. So actually it's a community-built map. Is that the goal, really?
Yes. Yes, it is a community-generated map, and it's actually well. The goal is to make a freely available map map data, provided and also made and done by the people themselves. So we can actually, so people can decide what they want to have on their map, and not that Atlas or Navtech is saying, well, I think that you are interested in what I have to offer.
Cool. And you have here a setup.
Right here, here you have a setup between two maps. Here you see the map of OpenStreetMap, and the same area here, which is currently available on Google Maps. Well, you can see here at the former Philips area. You see here is just a blank spot. And we have already put all kinds of details in the current situation. There's a new road here. There are new buildings put up here. So the accuracy is a lot higher with OpenStreetMap and more accurate than Google Maps is. And so it makes it very interesting seeing also parking spaces. And I have to look very closely. Just one minute. You see footpaths here in a park, those dotted lines. There are all kinds of more details in just the regular roads that you have on Google Maps. So the details and what people find interesting, that's what you can find on the map and what people can actually add on the map themselves.
Okay, thank you for this interview. We're here looking at the MakerBot. Can you tell us something about it? Because it's quite new development, I think. People learn to build their own electronics devices.
Well, the MakerBot, as the name says, it makes things, whatever you want it can make, provided that your design is not too big. As you can see, the plateau that is moving on the X and Y axis is not too big, so that those are the restraints of your design. So the height cannot be very high. We use plastic in a tube that is fed into a sort of heater which melts the plastic, and then layer by layer the object is printed in 3D. This is a kit that you can assemble yourself. You don't even have to buy the kit because the design is completely open. You can just download all the specs, and if you are good with a saw, you can start sawing, or you can have, like we did, you can have a laser cutter printed in plexiglass. glass or something, whatever material suits you best.
Is it easy for people to build, or do you need a bit of technical skills for that?
Well, obviously you need some technical insight. It comes with instructions, but if you've never done it before, it takes about 2 days with somebody to help you. We did workshops for assembling it, and there were like 9 or 10 people or so. 9 or 10 people who built their own MakerBot under supervision of some people who did it before. And in that weekend we built 9 MakerBots that worked. So yeah, so not that difficult, but you need a bit of 3D insight, obviously a bit of experience with electronics. You need your 2 hands to screw and put it all together.
And then I see devices like this.
The Saman.
The Simon, yeah. That's really flashy, isn't it?
Well, that's also an open source kit that we distribute. It's a game, a very old-fashioned 80s game. You have to follow the sequences that the processor proposes, and it's a memory trainer. We have all sorts of other flashy kits that you can assemble yourself, and everything what you see here is open source. All the hardware, all the software, everything is open.
Yeah, it also looks very flexible to use, because I see lights, hearts, different shapes. Yeah, nice. Thank you.